we're here with Frank. Frank's over from Horsham Way, and he's got a 23, and this is his tally for the day. Have a look at them.
Yeah, that last one there was out of the hole.
That was it. It was a Sunbaker, wasn't it?
Yeah, Sunbaker.
That's the biggest, flattest bit, isn't it?
Yes, it'd be huge.
It's amazing.
Big noise.
Yeah. So he's using his 23, and he's had it since last September, and today's his first gold.
Yes.
He was doing a few things different to how we would train him to do, but he's learned heaps today, and seriously, his golds just come from just in this tiny little section through
not
here.
Not even bigger than a tennis court.
No, and that's what we said about the start of the day, didn't we? You wouldn't cover more than tennis court.
No.
So let's have another look. Oh, well
2, 4, 6 pieces.
6
there.
pieces, and we're going to weigh them shortly. But
yeah.
Yeah, that's well done.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.